has her own line of toys. They're called the Anacorns. There's Puppycorn. He's a cute little puppy mixed with a unicorn. There's Kittycorn. She's a cute kitty mixed with a unicorn. And look at Teddycorn. He even has a little teddy bear. And there's Bunnycorn. Oh, she's so adorable. Look at those pink cheeks. You can collect these limited edition Anacorns at theanacorns.com, exclusively made by Squishables. Parents, get them while you can because they sell out quickly.
Wait, hold up, little guy. Whoa, hold on there. Oh, Dr. Anderson, thank you so much for coming. Well, of course, Vet Barbie. I mean, your call sounded pretty urgent. Yes, I have so many new animals coming in that need help, and my hands are literally full. I really needed you to come. Well, it's my pleasure. Hi, little pickles. Today we are hanging out with Vet Barbie as she takes care of these little farm animals, and she is just all ready to go. She is smartly dressed in these nice large boots so that she can tromp around in the mud, and she also has these nice riding pants. I think she's actually might go ride a horse later. And look, she's actually got a stethoscope, and so she is ready to look at this poor little lamb who hurt her foot. I mean, I don't know what exactly happened here. We'll have to find out. She also has this syringe, which looks like it might hurt a little. She's gonna have to be very gentle. But this jacket she's wearing is actually also really sensible because she's got a vest to keep her warm, but her arms are nice and bare, so she won't get overheated. I am actually going to go start caring for this poor little lamb right here. I think it actually fell while it was playing, and it looks like it hurt its leg. So I'm just going to give it a brief checkup, make sure everything is okay. Yep, okay, well, everything sounds normal. Good. Let's just get redressing on this, and then you'll be good to go. This set actually came with 3 different redressings, so we can actually change the color of it. I really love this light little turquoise color. I think it would go really well with the little pink nose on the lamb. These out. Oh, it's kind of stuck in there. Oh, there we go. Let me just remove that for you, little one. Okay, and we actually should get this cleaned up. All right, little one, so let's go ahead and get this dirty bandage off of you. There we are. And now we're actually going to clean the wound. There you go. You're so much happier now, aren't you? Okay, now let's get the dry bandage on. Oh, and this is a nice blue. Look, oh, it's so good. Now, do you feel better now? Good. Okay, you can go run along and play. This farm vet playset actually came with a lot of cool stuff, you guys. So not only do we have these extra bandages, but we also got a nice barrel of hay, which I'm actually going to put in this little barn area. And I wonder what actually goes in there. Oh, there you go, little one. Actually, this one just needs its daily shot, so we're just going to get it nice. No, wait. You can't run off that easy. We're actually going to set this little one up on the counter so he doesn't run away. Oh, and look, you guys! Look how adorable this little calf is! And a little marking on the face is a heart! These cute little eyelashes! Oh, this is just so precious! Are you ready for the syringe? Vet Barbie, would you mind holding her? Sure, not a problem. Here we go. All right, little one. It's okay. You're barely gonna feel this. Oh, see? That wasn't that bad. There we go. Now you're all up on your shots. All right, now that you have your shot, let's go ahead and put you in the barn. And this barn is super cool, you guys. Look, it actually opens the little gates. Yay, there you go. Now you're nice and safe inside. This calf is a little young to be having just hay, so I'm going to give it this bottle too. Oh dear! You guys, this barn also has a weather vane, so you can tell which way the wind is blowing. Oh man, it sure is windy. Only this time, instead of a rooster, it has Barbie's hair. Do you see that little ponytail? Oh, that is so cute. And look, there's a little tiny window here too. I wonder... Oh, there's a chicken on top of the barn. Miss Chicken, you know you shouldn't be on top of that. Your eggs are gonna hatch any minute. Oh, you guys, Miss Chicken is sitting in her little roost nest, waiting for the eggs to hatch. Oh, I wonder what they're gonna look like.
Barbie, I found this one outside. It seems it sprained its ankle.
Oh dear, well we'll get a bandage on that right away. Oh, you can see here it has a little sprained ankle. Well, we can fix that right up. First, let's clean the wound. Does that feel good? Good. Oh, good. Much better already. Let's see. I think the yellow one would look really nice. There we go. Now you can rest in here with the other little calf. Oh, look, they're friends.
Oh, not so fast. There we go. We're actually going to put you in this little pen here. There we go. It's your bedtime.
There we go. You need to rest. You've been playing a lot now. Oops. Let's actually go ahead and give this one a little bit of milk so it feels like going to sleep. Oh, look, it finished it. Oh, now he's going to sleep finally. Little guy tuggered himself out.
Oh, excuse me, Vet Bobby. Oh, yes? What is it, Mrs. Kitty? Well, I know you're actually a vet for farm animals, but my little one has caught a cold, I think. Oh, that's not a problem. I'd be glad to help. Oh, no. That little one does have a sneeze. Oh, I think it might actually have a cold. Let's see. Let's hear the lungs. Okay, well, at least your lungs sound clear, so I don't think it's actually anything too bad to worry about, but let's go ahead and give you a shot just in case.
No, it's all right, little one. We're going to come back over here so Mommy can hold you. Oh, yeah. It's all right, darling. Shot right in the arm. There you go. You didn't even feel that, did you? All right, well, that about does it. She just needs to rest for a day or two, but she'll be right as rain. Thank you so much, Vet Bobby. Oh, of course, my pleasure. Have a great day. Oh, you guys, I think the eggs are hatching. Oh, you guys, look. They're actually little tiny ducklings, I think. Are these ducks or are these chickens? I don't know. You'll have to let me know down in the comments. Do they look like Mrs. Chickens? Or do they look like little tiny ducklings? I guess they're hers, aren't they? They have to be. I thought they were ducks at first. Oh, you guys, let's take a closer look. Oh, it looks like the 2 eggs hatched into little tiny chickens. Look how cute they are.
All right, I think everything's okay now. Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Anderson. I'm about to put this little one to bed, and then I think we're all set. Here are the clean towels you asked for, Vet Barbie. Oh, thank you. I'm actually just going to swaddle this little one and take it down for a nap. But I think everything's okay now. Thank you so much for coming, Dr. Anderson. Oh, it was my pleasure. You know, wrap this little blanket on top. Let's put it in a little barn. There we go, you guys. Thank you, little pickles, for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe for more fun and adventure. And let's see how close you were paying attention. What colors were the bandages?
Guys, did you know Princess Pickles has her own line of toys? They're called the Anacorns. There's Puppy Corn. He's a cute little puppy mixed with a unicorn. There's Kitty Corn. She's a cute kitty mixed with a unicorn. And look at Teddy Corn. He even has a little teddy bear. And there's Bunny Corn. Oh, she's so adorable. Look at those